Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing my go-to traveling makeup. Super simple, so if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get into it. So starting off this look today, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Hangover RX Primer to go ahead and prime up my skin. It's going to be a really nice moisturizer as well as get it ready and prepped for our BB cream today, since we are going to be wearing a light amount of coverage on the skin. So hopping into brows, I'm taking the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my brows, just kind of filling in the sparse areas as I normally would, but keeping it pretty light and just kind of extending the tail just a little bit. This actually came in this month's Boxycharm for the month of July. I'm going to be using a bunch of products from that box in here today, and if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription box. We are getting 5 full-size beauty items for just 21 bucks a month, which is so incredible to me because we all know one product could be well over 21 bucks and you're able to get high name brands in here every month, so I think that is incredible. Go ahead and leave a link down below in the description to go ahead and check out Boxycharm, but this month's box is actually the road trippin' box, so I thought it went pretty perfect for this look. I'm going to go ahead and use a spoolie to go ahead and spoolie these brows up after filling them in slightly and just kind of make them a little bit more messy like. On days that I'm traveling, I don't like to have a full structured brow happening, so I do like to do a very natural one where I just fill in the sparse hairs and kind of make it a little bit messy, which is the look I'm going for here. And you'll see I just kind of stick to my natural brow shape and just extend it a tiny bit. So before I get into the makeup, I'm actually going in with Dr. Brant No More Baggage Depuffing Eye Gel. This is going to help with any dark circles or any puffiness under the eyes. So just going to take a pea-sized amount, like so, or maybe a little more, and apply it directly underneath my eyes in this area, just really where I have a little bit of darkness and where my eyes would get puffy. So we kind of eliminate all of that, and this also came in the box as well. For this look, I'm going to be using a BB cream. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh in the color 120 medium. And this is going to help even out our skin tone while giving a little bit of coverage as well as adding some SPF into the skin. That's really important when traveling. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my skin using this damp beauty blender and really focusing it into the cheeks and little trouble spots that I have just to apply a little bit more coverage. And I'm just going to go ahead and keep on blending all the way down to the neck. Bit of concealing today. I'm going with the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, placing a little bit underneath my eyes in this area, and I'm not going too crazy today because I don't want to have a lot of makeup going on like we know, so I'm just going to do some trouble spots and directly underneath my eyes and continue to blend that out with the Beauty Blender. To set all of that down, I'm taking the NYX finishing powder in the shade Banana on this large brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blot that underneath my eyes. Just take that beauty blender with no additional product on it and kind of blend on top of that a little bit more. I do like to bronze up my skin a little bit, so I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Pro Bronzing Palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take these 2 lash shades on this brush and apply it to my cheekbone areas, the hollows, just to kind of bronze everything up and not look so flat on the face. And then I'm just going to use a stippling brush to kind of further blend it all out. And you can, of course, contour. For me personally, I feel like just a light sweeping of bronzing does the trick, and it's not overpowering, and it just kind of looks like it's your natural glow. And I do go in with the separate brush with a little bit of Benefit Hoola bronzer on it and just kind of additionally sweep that over top of this, and I just think that combo is great. For a little additional color back into the cheeks, I'm taking the color Desert Rose from Note, which is a nice, beautiful blush color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this into the cheek area, also bringing it towards the back section by my cheekbone contour section, just to kind of emphasize that area a little bit. Since we didn't do any contouring, I like that look where it's pushed back. I don't know. I think it just looks really natural and beautiful, and I absolutely adored this color. Then going in with e.l.f. liquid highlight, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the tippy tops of my cheekbones with this beauty blender, and it just melts right into the skin. It is super gorgeous. It's a beautiful like gold highlight, and it just was absolutely stunning. So I'm applying it there as well as a little on my nose and Cupid's bow, and it just keeps it super natural and makes it look like it is your skin glowing. Add a little bit of mascara to my lashes. I'm taking Wonder Beauty Unlashed Mascara and applying it straight to my lashes on the tops and bottoms. This is going to help add a little bit of darkness there. Since we are not doing anything on my eyes today, I'm just going to do quick coats of mascara to liven things up. I'm going to do a few coats of this, and you'll see I do get it on my lid and on my face, and that is so typical whenever I'm doing my makeup. So we just let it dry, and then I will go ahead and remove it with a Q-tip once it does dry down. So yeah, here it is, getting all messy, but it does come off. Then for additional powder to the face, I'm going to go in with CoverGirl powder and just apply it gently with this large brush all over my skin to be locked down and just add a little bit more coverage to the skin. The L'Oreal Color Riche lip liner. This is a nude color. I'm going to leave it listed down below because I forgot the name. But I'm going to go ahead and line up my lips as well as fill it in with this color. I absolutely adore it. It is super beautiful, and on days like this where I don't want to wear too much makeup but I need to still look semi put together, I love using a lip liner. I think it's super easy to travel with and just my go-to look. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Then I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of the Glam Glow Powder Highlighter and a little bit of Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist to help our skin get a little bit more glow back to it and luminosity, and just help the highlighter shine a little bit more. So I'm going to go and apply that onto my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose and Cupid's bow, and absolutely love this highlighter. Go in with a separate brush and kind of blend a little bit more onto the blush and highlight area, just to kind of further blend those two together. And then I'm going to go in one more time with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Mist, just to give our skin a little extra dewiness and a little bit more of a glow. That completes this very simple travel makeup. This is what I like to go to on the traveling type of day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe found it a little helpful. I'll leave all the products down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!